Hello everyone, I'm coming on today with a quick project share. I made an embellishment file box. I added a unicorn and a bow and the word wish. I used some of my dies to do some layering on the box there. And I'll show you some of the dies that I used for this real quickly. So this is the box die that I used. I picked this up from AliExpress. Here is the unicorn die. It looks like this. And then the word wish came from the Queen & Company Sentiment Stackers number 2. And then the scallop circles came from the foundation dies number 1 from Queen & Co. And I forgot to pull the bow. The bow is from Pink and Main. So it opens up like this. And then inside it says awesome. I used some of the flowers and then another unicorn die. And the awesome, again, is from the Sentiment Stackers number 1, which I forgot to pull that one, but it's also from Queen & Co. And then the inside here is from the Queen & Company Foundation dies number 2, and I use the flowers here, and then I use these as just a layer right here on the box. I really love these flowers and all the detail in them, really pretty. And then here is the file. It's like little files that they can just go through and see everything inside the box. Now I do have a tutorial on the this file system here. If you would like to refer to that video, I'll put it right here. Now that tutorial goes for any size box that you want to use. You just have to go with the dimensions of the box and you can make it any size to your liking. So let's look what's inside. I added some fun little dies, and then in the next one I made some of these watermelon. These are like little watermelon wedges. These were a lot of fun to make. And then some of the lemons. Now you can also make limes if you like. And that die is from Tuesday Morning. I picked that up a little while ago. So that one is in the second file. And then in the next one I just have a bunch of words that I put together so they're all ready to go for the recipient. So here's joy, you, and then I need to cut out wish again because I used the wish big. That one kind of just got thrown in there by accident. Here's prayers, celebrate, thanks, and mom. So there's some words already put together. And then in here we have a couple of tassels. We have a Pink and Main bow, and then some Queen & Company bling. Really cute. And then in the next one is just a bunch of die cuts. I had these from the Queen & Company dies. So there's just a bunch of die cuts in there. The next one is another die. This one says believe. And then in this one, they can make their own bows. These are the Jelly Advanced Design bows. I put a couple of them in there that they can make themselves. And then also some of the Jillian Vance design tags. Really pretty with that pearl edge. And then this one is a Creative Time bow. So really fun. So that is just a few things that you can fit inside this box. And then it closes real, and you have your box full of embellishments. Now I didn't decorate the edge, but of course you could decorate the edges. So that is my share today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.